Product liability in the motorcycle industry. Product liability is a concept deeply intertwined with the principles of consumer protection and corporate responsibility. Within the motorcycle industry, this legal doctrine serves as a crucial safeguard for riders and passengers, holding manufacturers accountable for any harm caused by defects in their products. This can encompass design flaws, manufacturing errors, or inadequate warnings regarding potential risks. The implications of product liability are significant, creating a powerful incentive for manufacturers to prioritize safety throughout the entire lifecycle of a motorcycle. It ensures that companies are motivated to invest in rigorous testing, continuous improvement, and adherence to stringent safety standards. Furthermore, product liability places an implicit responsibility on manufacturers to provide transparent and accurate information to consumers. This includes clear instructions for safe use, proper maintenance guidelines, and timely communication about any recalls or safety-related issues. The core responsibility of motorcycle manufacturers extends beyond the mere production of vehicles. It encompasses the entire process, from design conception to the distribution and beyond. Manufacturers must prioritize safety as a paramount objective, emphasizing not only the performance and aesthetics of the motorcycle but also its reliability and protection for riders and passengers. Manufacturers must conduct comprehensive risk assessments, identifying potential hazards and vulnerabilities in the initial design. Quality control during the manufacturing process is equally vital. This level of diligence not only prevents defects but also enhances the overall reputation of the manufacturer. Additionally, manufacturers must stay updated with the latest safety standards and technological advancements. An ongoing commitment to research and development is essential to remain competitive while prioritizing the safety and satisfaction of customers. Design flaws and defects. Design flaws and defects represent one of the primary sources of product liability concerns within the motorcycle industry. A design flaw is an inherent problem with the initial blueprint of the motorcycle, which can make it inherently dangerous or prone to malfunction even if produced with the utmost care. Defects, on the other hand, are issues that arise during the manufacturing process, resulting in a specific unit or batch of motorcycles being subpar or unsafe. These defects can include substandard materials, errors during assembly, or deviations from the approved design. Effective quality control procedures are essential for detecting defects before the motorcycles reach the market. When defects are identified, manufacturers should take swift action, recalling and rectifying the affected units to prevent accidents or injuries. Recalls and consumer protection. In the event of a safety issue, manufacturers may issue recalls to fix or replace faulty components. These recalls not only protect consumers but also demonstrate the manufacturer's commitment to safety. They serve as a proactive response to identified defects or safety issues that could pose a risk to riders, passengers, or even pedestrians. Recalls can be initiated for various reasons, including design flaws, manufacturing defects, or the discovery of unforeseen safety risks. They may also be prompted by regulatory agencies that monitor product safety. The process of conducting a recall involves identifying the affected motorcycles, notifying consumers, and providing a solution to rectify the problem. Manufacturers should communicate clearly and promptly, providing detailed instructions on how to address the issue. In some cases, this may involve replacing a specific component, conducting repairs, or even exchanging the entire motorcycle. Legal ramifications. Product liability cases in the motorcycle industry can result in legal battles. Product liability cases in the motorcycle industry typically arise when a rider or passenger is injured due to a defect or design flaw in the motorcycle. These cases can be complex, involving multiple parties, intricate technical details, and legal arguments centered around negligence, strict liability, or breach of warranty. Manufacturers have a legal duty to design, produce, and market safe motorcycles. If a defect in a motorcycle causes harm, the manufacturer may be held liable for the resulting injuries and damages. This legal liability extends not only to the manufacturer but also to other entities involved in the motorcycle's production and distribution, such as component suppliers or dealerships. To establish a product liability claim, several elements must be proven. These elements generally include demonstrating that the motorcycle had a defect that caused the harm, that the defect existed when the motorcycle left the manufacturer's control, and that the defect was the direct cause of the injuries or damages. It's important to note that not all motorcycle accidents or injuries are automatically eligible for product liability claims. The presence of a defect or a design flaw must be established, and this often requires thorough investigation and expert analysis. Consumers should consult with experienced legal professionals to assess the viability of a product liability claim in their specific case. If you were injured in an accident caused by a defective motorcycle, contact the experienced motorcycle accident attorneys in Denver at Front Range Injury Attorneys.